All right, we are at the campsite, and as you know, we have the bikes with us right here. The bikes have been in the garage for since summer, so months, and the tires are completely flat from a lot of sitting and from temperature changes and stuff. So I was given this little guy for Christmas, AIRMOTO. I'm gonna try it on the bikes with you, and we'll see how it works. This thing comes in this really cool little case. Dogs are here. So it's got this little thing that sticks up. You push that. If I push it, that little thing actually pops out a little bit more. Look at that. And this is its hose. That right there is the end we want. And that is the end. It screws on right here. I did use this one time for the car. I have not used it yet for a bike. Tire. They should work the same, but you just never know. So that's why I thought I would video this and see if it works. Okay. That is nice and snug.
Bikes aren't too dirty. Our cover did a pretty good job.
The bad cover did a pretty good job.
Yes, we did.
That's cool. All right, I'll take this thing off. I mean, these things are flat.
As opposed to just flat.
As opposed to just like low. They're flat. All right. Actually, I'm gonna put that in there so I don't lose it. Okay, so we're gonna see here how this puppy works. Put that on there. Uh-oh. That's not good. Do I screw it on here? I must. Oh, I think I do screw it on there. Oh yeah, that was good. All right, and I'm gonna hit the button. Oh yeah, you gotta turn it on. It says 35. I have no idea. I didn't look at this tire. I probably should have looked at this tire. Oh, there's something here.
Ask Google what bike tires inflate to.
Well, there should be the pound on here. Does anybody see it? Oh, 65 PSI. Well, we're going up higher than 35.
Okay, Google.
It said 65. We're just going to let it sit here. Oh, it's counting. We'll let it do its thing. See how it goes. All right, we're going to stop it right there. And unscrew this, take this off of here. That was fast. The car took a while. This was like instant. Really fast. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put the little cap back on.
Gracie, stop.
I should have showed you the tire beforehand because it was really low. Okay, we're gonna go to this one. All right, I moved this down to the bottom. We're gonna repeat the same thing. Put this on here. You do not push it. You thread it. All right, so I'll show you. I mean, there's a little bit of air in here, but I mean, I can squash this thing completely flat. So it's really low. All right, so we'll click and hold until you see the 3 dots. It turns on. I'm not going to set it. I'm going to do the same 16.5. We went from totally flat to ready to go. Just a couple minutes. This thing is awesome. Highly recommended. Click and hold to turn it off. 2, 3, off. I leave it in the car because it works on the car tires, like I said, and apparently it works awesome on bike tires. Whoa, it's dark. Hope that helps you out. Much easier to not do this in the dark. Do it in the daylight, unlike me, and enjoy riding your bike. All right, she's gonna try it. Look at that. How's that feel? Oh, she's gone.